Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. A soul namaste to all of you who are joining us here today. आज हम बात करेंगे about people who are old souls. कैसे पता चले कि आप एक old soul हैं कि नहीं हैं. Old soul होते हैं basically वो लोग जो कि who have lived a number of past lives in मतलब who have taken a number of previous births. And basically jinko they've had certain karmas and unfinished business, pending business, because of their past lives that they have had on earth. And old souls are known by their a level of empathy and a level of maturity and wisdom beyond their years. तो ओल्ड सोल्स होते हैं, हम उन लोगों को कहते हैं जिनके पास एक लेवल ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग जो होगा वो बियॉन्ड देयर ईयर्स होगा. सो यू माइट फील लाइक कि यू आर समबडी who's maybe a millennial or a Gen Z, but then you have maturity beyond your years. Now these are the basic things that we talk about, but then there are certain specific traits to understand. मतलब कुछ ऐसे गुण होते हैं जिनसे आपको पता चलता है कि आपके कुछ प्रीवियस बर्थ्स हो चुके हैं, आप पहले इस अर्थली रेलम पे आ चुके हैं बर्थ लेके, एंड देन देयर इज सम अनफिनिश्ड बिजनेस दैट नीड्स टू बी क्लियर्ड ऑफ. दैट सिग्निफाइज दैट यू आर एन ओल्ड सोल. ओके, तो आज हम बात करेंगे अबाउट सच 5 साइंस जिससे हमें पता चलेगा कि हम या आपके आसपास का कोई भी इंसान एक ओल्ड सोल है. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट ओल्ड सोल्स आर हाईली इंट्यूटिव एंड हाईली ऑब्जर्वेशनल पीपल. सो व्हेन आई से इंट्यूटिव एंड ऑब्जर्वेशनल, ये लोग बात करना बाय ऑब्जर्वेशनल इज ये लोग बात करना कम पसंद करते हैं, एंड दे टेंड टू ऑब्जर्व पीपल मोर. when you see them in a group of people, they would be the most quiet ones, बिल्कुल जो चुपचाप बैठा होगा एंड सबको देख रहा होगा ध्यान से एंड ऑब्जर्व कर रहा होगा. दो दैट कैन बी an old soul. And by intuitive I mean to say that they are highly intuitive people. इनकी intuition powers बहुत high होती हैं, which can grow over time. Like if there's a child, let's say, or somebody in their early 20s, and they have had no experience, मतलब उनको नहीं पता कि वो एक old soul है, या they've had a number of births, उनको नहीं पता कि वो psychic हैं, they have not worked on that. तो they can have those premonitions and experiences जहाँ पे उनको ऐसा लगेगा कि मैं जैसा सोचता हूँ, या if I've seen something तो that has happened true. But they are highly intuitive, मतलब उनके gut feel में जो उनको लग रहा होता है कि something is about to happen, most of the time it happens. So for number first is that they are highly intuitive and observational people. Second trait is ऐसे लोगों को old souls like to be in solitude. Okay, they do not like the hush and bush. उनको although वो बहुत they can be working in areas जहाँ पे when they do not know that they are an old soul, they can be working in areas जहाँ पे a lot of people interaction is required. And जहाँ पे you are working for sales, let's say sales areas में आप work कर रहे हो, but then deep down there will be people who are wanting their peace and they're wanting to be in their solitude. उनको अकेले रहना पसंद होता है. अगर आप उनसे पूछोगे कि what is that one thing that they crave the most after meeting people, और आपकी कोई interaction हुई, आप बहुत किसी शादी या किसी gathering से आया वो इंसान, and then they would be like I need my downtime and their own peace, and alone time is what they prefer. So old soul would be somebody जो कि हमेशा आपसे कनेक्टेड होते हुए भी आपसे कहीं ना कहीं डिसकनेक्टेड रहता है, बिकॉज दे हैव हैड दोज एक्सपीरियंसेस इन देयर पास्ट लाइफ. तो वो एक ईजी अटैचमेंट हर किसी के साथ क्रिएट नहीं करते, while they like being with themselves the more. Okay. Number 3 is they dislike small talks. and they desire for deeper connections. जब भी आप किसी ऐसे इंसान को देखेंगे who would be an old soul, आपको हमेशा they do not like gossiping, they would not want to sit with people who would be gossiping all the time, जहाँ पे सिर्फ इसी बारे में बातें होती हैं कि ये इंसान क्या करता है, वो क्या करता है, वो कैसे कपड़े पहन रहा है, वो कैसा दिख रहा है, so on and so forth. They do not like doing that, and they feel for deeper connections. उनको चाहिए talk about your growth, your spiritual involvement, your what is the life purpose that a person has. So that is the topics that attracts them, and that attracts them, and basically small talks drains them. So moving on, these people have the fourth point would be that these people have a healing energy, a sort of healing energy that people feel attracted to their aura. मतलब इनका aura इतना vibrant होता है that complete strangers can come up to them and open up to them about their lives. The reason why you see a lot of old souls, not a lot of majorly old souls working into spiritual field and occult based fields. Why? Because they carry with them an aura that creates the energy कि कोई भी आके आपसे an outsider can come to you and talk to you about their life problems, and completely without any bias वो आके आपको बता देते हैं अपनी चीज़ों के बारे में, without feeling hesitant basically I would say. And then they carry a sort of healing energy कि उनसे बात करके ही the other person would feel a lot calmer. So that is a sign that you might not be into the field, you might not be into the field of spirituality, आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे होगे ऐसा, but then you carry an aura that that is comforting for people to come and talk to you. And that healing energy जो आप सुन के और you lend them a ear, and you can offer them maybe solutions, that acts as your healing energy, and that attracts people to you, and that is a sign that आप एक ओल्ड सोल हैं, आप यहाँ पे पहले भी चल चुके हैं, यहाँ पे रह चुके हैं, एंड you've lived a life जिसके आगे की फुलफिलमेंट करने के लिए आप अभी इस टाइम पे यहाँ पर हैं. ओके, द लास्ट पॉइंट इज दैट old souls tend to be introvert, and they feel like an outsider. उनको कभी भी आप ऐसी किसी सिचुएशन में डालेंगे जहाँ पे there are a lot of people and they would barely know people there, वहाँ पे उनको बहुत ही you're meant to feel like an outsider. आपको ऐसा दिखाया जाएगा कि because you have a different thought process from what the society feels like or how the society moves around. तो आपका thought process क्योंकि different है, तो you don't fit in, you feel like that you are a misfit in the society to be around people, and this is not how the society operates. That is because you are vibrating at a different level and they are vibrating at a different level. So you tend to feel like an outsider. आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप fit नहीं होते इन सब लोगों के बीच में, and they sort of tend to drain you. So these are the 5 signs to look out for when you want to spot if you are an old soul or not. There are many more, but in this video we'll stick to 5 reasons. Please let us know if you could resonate to these points, and also about what other topics would you want us to talk about. And for your personalized readings, please connect with us on the numbers given below. Thank you.